Hello guys, welcome to the watch channel. My name is Oliver and today I'm going to do an unboxing video of two limited edition Laco watches. These are the Laco Augsburg and Aachen Taupe, I believe. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. Limited edition of 200. I'm going to do a quick look at these watches and I'm going to do unboxing as well. I'll unbox one of them and I'll show you both at the end. By the way, the price 390 euros. Let's unbox the Augsburg on the camera. They come in this leather zip box. So let's try and zip it up. Nice logo here. And there's the watch. Here you have the warranty card. And then you have a little booklet on this limited edition and just instructions, and yeah, I'll just cut and get both the watches out. Okay guys, so here we have both the watches, the Augsburg, which it has a dial, and then the B dial, which is called Aachen. So let's just look at the Augsburg first, and let's go through some of the specifications. The dimensions on this watch is 39 millimeters. The thickness is 11.55 millimeters. The lug width is 18 millimeters, and the lug is 46.5 millimeters. Also, the weight on this watch is 81.5 grams, including this leather strap. So look at this dial; it's absolutely beautiful, very simple. You know, a dial Flieger, has a made in Germany on the bottom. The lume on this watch is actually Super Luminova C1 blue line, so the lume is blue. I'll show you some pictures of the lume on both. This watch hand winds, and it also hacks and sets. That was the wrong way. The movement in this watch, if you turn on the back here, is a Miyota 821A movement. Laco calls it their automatic movement, Laco 21. 21 jewels. You also see our sapphire crystal, obviously on the front, but also the back. 5 ATM water resistance, so it's 50 meters. Augsburg Taupe 39, and 105 of 200 is this piece. Beautiful details on the crown. The watch is all polished, no, I mean, sorry, all brushed, but it's pretty nicely finished. But the dial is really what's beautiful in this watch. Let's pick up the second one, the Aachen. So this is a B dial, a little bit more going on this one. I personally like the A dials more, but this is also really nice. So it's a similar movement, obviously. The strap is a leather strap. It's handmade in Germany, Laco. The strap is actually really nice. Some of the older Flieger watches from, well, the cheaper ones, the basic, as they call it, pilot watches, they had really thick straps, and I didn't like them that much. But this seems a lot more flexible. I think they have changed that on their base models as well. But it's a really nice strap. I like the color of it. Works well with the dial. Clasp on this also has Laco etched here. It's brushed. You know, it's not special. You know, it's very simple clasp, but you can't really expect much more at this price range. And yeah, it's overall two really handsome watches. I love the color, even though I can't pronounce it. But yeah, it's stunning. For the money, like 390 euros for this. I think it's a great deal. I'm gonna show you a slight wrist shot, what it looks like on the wrist. My wrist is pretty small, but wears really nicely. 39 millimeters is perfect. It's a little thick, but you know, it's not that bad. It's a very wearable watch, and yeah, I really like it. It's like a unique color. I like different colors. So that's it, guys. Just a quick look at these watches. I might do a review of a normal Flieger watch from Laco someday. I really do like Laco and these watches. I just want to say thanks for watching. If you want more content from me, then be sure to subscribe. I'll plan some more videos now in the future. I will be looking at some Ocean X watches next week, and I hope you guys want to subscribe to see more. Thanks so much for watching, and have a nice day. Goodbye.